Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you my top free VPN for iPhone. First off, we have wired VPN. We're going to open it right here. It's going to tell you their privacy and policy. You can accept or decline if you don't want. And you don't have to log in, you just click on connect. You can click on select location to choose a location. These are the free ones available. When you go to Europe, you can see so many available in Europe. When you go to South America, you can see the ones available in South America, only Brazil and Chile. When you go to Asia, you can see few countries available in Asia. Same thing goes to North America and Oceania. Now when we go back, we're going to click on connect. It's going to ask you for a permission. Just click on allow. Connected automatically. So this is the first one in my list. It's very simple and it has a simple UI. No login required. And one cool thing about this VPN is when you want to select some of the servers, it's going to show you if it is actually strong. Let's say, for example, I want to choose United States of America. Click on it and it's going to show you the ones that are stronger. You can see right here, we have Dallas, USA, we have Atlanta, Georgia, we have Los Angeles, California. It will show you the ones that are available and that are very strong. Also going to show you the ones that are weak so that you will know what you are choosing. If you go to Canada, as you can see, we have like few ones available in Canada and that's how it shows all of them. If we go to Europe and go to Spain, you can see the ones available in Spain. So you can choose based on the milliseconds, the ones that are actually faster. When you see the one you like, you just tap on it and click on connect. Very easy. No login required. So the second one on my list is called free VPN. Also, I'm going to put the link of all these VPN in the description. Their motto is will always remain free. So it's optional if you want to go premium. When you click on the circle at the top right corner, it's going to show you how their free VPN service work. Sometimes you have to watch ads to get unlimited access. So to go premium is optional. Now when you want to select a server, just click on the small icon. It's going to show you all the server available. They have fastest server, which you automatically connect to the most stable one. We have United States here, Canada, Mexico, Germany, Netherlands, Austria, United Kingdom, France, Italy, Spain. So to get the free one, you just click on fastest server and click on connect. And it's going to play an ad for you for 30 seconds if you want to get the free access. So that's how they give their free service. It's either you watch an ad or you pay for it. So we're going to wait till the countdown finishes. After that, the reward will be granted. Just click on the X button and it's going to connect automatically. Now it has changed the server to Netherlands. That's connected for free. So these are one of the free options available. Now the last one on my list is Proton VPN. Now this is only the VPN on my list that require you to sign in. It's very secure and they claim to not keep any logs in their VPN server. So I'm going to sign in and come back later. Since I have an account with them on my PC, so I'm going to sign in. You can continue as a guest if you don't want to sign in. But for me, I'm going to sign in. So after signing in, we're going to take a look at Proton VPN. So this is what it looks like. They have free connection right here. If we click on it, you're going to see we have Switzerland, Poland, Norway, Romania, Singapore, United States, Mexico, Canada, Japan, and Netherlands. These are the free connections available. So to connect, you just have to First of all, let's go to the countries. We have so many countries to choose from, but these ones are for premium users. If you want to connect for free, you have to click on fastest. If we go to the settings right here, you can see that we have protocol. You can click on, you can use smart, wire guide, or stealth. When you go to kill switch, this is very, very important for so many VPN. If you don't want an app to actually know your local IP address, this will automatically block all the traffic when tunnel VPN is turned off. So it's very, very cool. Now, if you want to connect, simply go back and click on connect. It's going to hide your IP address. It will ask for your VPN configurations permission. Click on allow. Type in your password. Right now, it is connected to United States. So this is last on my list. Tell me the one you choose, the one you prefer in the comment section. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.